Did you like the video on Facebook and want to know where you can find it? I'm Emily, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to see liked videos on Facebook. Let's get started. First, open Facebook. Tap on the hamburger icon at the top right. Go to Settings. Scroll down. Go to Activity Log. Tap on Your Facebook Activity. Then tap on Comments and Reactions. Then tap on Likes and Reactions. Here you can find all the posts and videos that you have liked in the past. So you have to scroll down to find specific video that you want to if you have many liked posts. You can tap on the three dots at the side of the post and view their profile or unlike the post or video. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.